important thing that you need to know about biodigesters is the maintenance that must be done, or the servicing, or the after-sales services that must be considered when you are installing a biodigester. Because biodigesters do not have periodic dislodging that the septic tanks do have, you have to do maintenance depending on the people who are going to use your digester. A time will come that you've done a digester for a person. It can be 2 years, it can be 5 years, depending on the people and how good job that you did that are using the digester. A time will come, you have to go back and have the servicing done for that digester. How do you go about it? The type of materials that you use in a digester will be dependent on the type of digester that you do. Whether you are doing the digester using the porous or you are doing the digester using the wire mesh. If you did the digester using the wire mesh, when it comes to maintenance, it's very, very simple. And usually the maintenance happens because the homeowner is using materials that will not biodegrade. So if somebody is using pampers, somebody is using diapers, somebody is using condoms and rubber, non-biodegradable materials in a biodigester, these materials will not break down. Only the solid waste and tissue paper can be broken down. Then you'll be forced to go and physically open the digester and have those materials physically removed from the digester. And then you have to relay the digester bed again, fill them with the materials, the coconut husk, the fiber net, and your wire mesh or whatever you are using, and then cover it again for another cycle of reuse. So that's how the biodigester maintenance is done. There's no one set method or set rule for how the maintenance must be done. It depends on how the digester is done. So the key part is that when you do the biodigester, it's best you have the top slabs, you have 2 covers. One that will cover the full part, and then the short one that in case you have to go and inspect the digester, you can open that side and then you inspect it. Or you put an inspection chamber on the digester. If it comes to a point where you have to open it up, you can go and open the inspection chamber, have a look at it. If you need to completely open it, and then you can take it off and then take the bed out and then relay it with a new bed. That's how biodigester maintenance is done and after sales service is done. It's become a business for most people because people do start the biodigesters and after a time they'll need somebody to do a servicing for them. So if you learn the technology and you learn the construction and you learn the installation well, this can also become a business model where your business is that you do the after sales maintenance for people and then you get paid for your services. Most of the time when you go out to a site and you're doing maintenance, there are 2 or 3 things. Either the soak away or the soak hole pit is full because there's water is not going. So the water seeps all the way to the digester bed and then it's showing at the edge, the water is showing at the edge of the digester. Then it means that the soak away pit is not working. So it means you have to either dig another soak away or go into the digester soak away pit and have a look at what's really the problem there, or get the water out of the digester bed and then relay the digester bed depending on the situation that you find yourself. There's no one size fit all for that digester maintenance, but if you do know the technology and you learn how to install a biodigester, the maintenance is really, really not a problem. It can take you 1 hour, 2 hours, and then your maintenance is done, and then you are on your way back. Thank you.